All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all. Welcome back to Brainy White Tutorial. Okay, so if this is your first time of coming across to our YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. What we do in this our channel is that we talk about things that concerns JAMB, admission, WAEC, and NECO. So if you're any of these candidates, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on all bell notifications so that when I drop any amazing video, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check out the update. All right, so if you have done that, thank you and God bless you. Okay, so if you have not done that, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on bell notifications. All right, because I don't want you to miss out any amazing update, because I drop updates on YouTube on daily basis. All right, so that's actually what I do here in this channel. Okay, so we know that Post UTME is fast approaching and so many persons out there will be looking for this kind of content. All right, so that's why I've taken my time and to do this updated and detailed, a well-detailed tutorial for you guys. Okay, so the last one I did, the previous ones I did, I was very happy. I was very encouraged when some of my candidates called me to tell me that it really helped them, more especially the Delta State University candidates or aspirants. All right, so it helped them so much. All right, so that's why they encouraged me to come up to do more of this tutorial again. I believe that if you know that you have not written your Post UTME and your Post UTME is fast approaching, of course you need this tutorial. Okay, so you need first and foremost, you need your school Post UTME past questions. All right, so that a couple with this will help you. All right, so I'm here and this is not the only video. You can check out for more of this kind of content in my platform. All right, so you get more of them, and I promise you guys I'll be doing more of the tutorials here on YouTube. All right, so before we dive into this video, we'll have a WhatsApp group that is basically for our 2024 registered UTME candidate and aspirant. All right, of course you can become one of our member. The only way you can become one of our member is to let me know in the comment section that you want to join us on the video. So I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number, and after getting to know you on WhatsApp, I'll definitely have to add you in our WhatsApp group. All right, having said that, guys, let's dive into this video. Okay, today the first question is it is argued that most of the new states of Africa cannot remain faithful to the doctrines of non-alignment, mainly because of dash. All right, so the first will be answering this. The first question says, the first option says corruption, ethnic problems, bad leadership, and the last option says poor economy. Okay, so the rightful option there is option D, which is poor economy. All right, so let's get to the next question. The next question says, which of the following is not an objective in foreign policy? Okay, which of the following is not an objective in foreign policy? First one is prestige, second one is large population, third one is territorial integrity, and last one is survival. So the correct option there is large population, right? So that's correct option. Okay, so let's go to the number 3. Number 3 on our list says, one of the criticisms against the delegated legislation is that it dash. One of the criticisms against delegated legislation is that it dash. A, gives too much power to all organs of government. B, enhances separation of powers. C, encroaches on parliamentary power. D, it is not practiced in advanced countries. Okay, the correct option is option D. So number 4, I will leave number 4 for you guys to answer on the comment section. All right, so let me know the number 4 on the comment section, which of the following is not an objective in foreign policy. All right, so answer it on the comment section if you are following us or you understood what I said, I believe, in the very first slide where we started. Okay, so let's go to the number 5 one. The fifth one said, voting started in Nigeria in 1923 because the Clifford Constitution of 1922 granted A, decolonization, B, parliamentary government, C, an elective principle, D, self-government. So the correct option is option C, which is an elective principle. All right, so let's get to number C. Number 6. Number 6 says, which of the following is not a component of political culture? Number 6. Which of the following is not a component of political culture? A. Attitude. B. Beliefs. C. Emotions. D. Age. So the correct option is option D, which is age. All right. So number 7th one says, with which country did Nigeria break diplomatic relations in 1963 for exploding nuclear devices in the Sahara? Okay. A is the USA, B China, C Soviet Union, D France. So the correct option is D, which is France. Okay. So number 8. Which of the following did not formally recognize Biafra as an independent state? A. Zambia, B. Tanzania, C. Gabon, D. Ivory Coast. So the correct option is option A, which is Zambia. All right. So number 9 says, the Armed Forces Ruling Council came into existence under the dash. B. A. Buhari administration, B. Babangida administration, C. Gowon administration, D. Obasanjo administration. So the correct option is Babangida administration, which is option B. Okay. So the next one is, the residual powers under the Nigerian independence constitution were the powers exercised by dash. A. The federal government, B. The regional government, C. The local government, D. Both the federal and regional government. So the correct option there is option B, which is the regional government. All right. So let's dive to the number 11 page, which says, it is the duty of a government to perform all the following functions except A. Providing all the needs of its candidates, B. B. Preventing internal disorder, C. Providing basic welfare services, D. Promoting industrial and commercial development. I guess the correct option there is option A, which is the correct option. All right, let's go to the last question there, which says, the following factors favor the introduction of indirect rule in Nigeria except the dash. A. Shortage of manpower, B. Shortage of funds, C. Existence of educated elites, D. Existence of a system of taxation. Okay, the correct option there is option C, which is the existence of educated elites. All right, so this will be ending this particular video for today. All right, so if you have gotten any value from this video, I want to encourage you to give me a thumbs up. All right, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educative content like this. All right, I'll be giving you guys updates, giving you guys some more of these revisions. All right, so check it out for more videos like this out there on my platform. All right, subscribe if you have not subscribed. Thank you so much for sticking around from the beginning to the end. So until I see you again in my next video, don't forget that I love and cherish you all. Keep winning.